How to fade in or fade out a video in Filmora X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create a fade to black effect in Filmora. It's a simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first select the clip that you want to edit. And once you have done that, go to the video tab and then the basic settings. Now from there, simply locate the opacity option, and by default it's set to 100%. So if you lower it to 0%, the clip will fade completely to black. So to apply the effect, move your playhead to the point where you want the fade to start. Now click on the diamond icon next to the opacity to create a keyframe. And at this point, opacity should remain at 100%. Now move the playhead to where you want the fade to end and reduce the opacity to 0. And you will see that the second keyframe appear, which means the fade effect is applied. And now when you play the clip back, you will notice it smoothly fades to black. You can also reverse the process to fade in from black. You just need to start with opacity at 0 and create the keyframe, and then increase it to 100% over time. And if you want to speed up the fade effect, simply move the keyframe closer together, and that's it. Your fade to black transition is ready. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.